In this video, I'm going to show you how to wall mount the interior garage door opener for your system. They are all pretty similar. This one is the company Wayne Dalton. It's wireless, battery operated, and pretty easy to mount. So let's get started. The first thing you need to be aware of is that there are two mounting points. A screw is going to go through the unit at the top here, and then in the bottom there is a mounting screw that you put in and you just kind of push it down onto. So you need to have two holes for your screws. If they're going to go into drywall, make sure you put them into studs or use drywall screws. So your first step is you need to measure the distance and go ahead and install your screws. Don't sink them all the way into your drywall. I've already done that step, and that's where I am right here. I have two drywall screws, and I just put in the first screw. It's not sunken in all the way into the wall though, so it still sticks out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'll show you how that is. Just go ahead and set it on that lower screw and push it down until it clicks. And then the next step is I need to put my screw through the unit so that it's into the drywall. Got the screw right here. This is just a standard Phillips screwdriver. It's the one that is like that, like a plus sign. You can see on the screw it has a head, Phillips head right there. I just went ahead and sunk that screw all the way in. So now the module is tight on the wall, and that's all you need to do. Hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.